Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel and my June 2020 plan with me video. This time I am journaling in my new bullet journal as my last one has come to an end. If you would like to find out more about starting my new bullet journal, then check out my latest video, which I will link in the eye. There's nothing more to say, so let's get right on with the video. This month I have chosen a sort of retro summertime theme. Not really sure what to call it, but I'm sure you get the idea once you've seen the rest of the layout. So I started off my cover page drawing a sunset with lots of vibrant different colours. In the bottom centre of the sunset, I stuck some black paper and wrote June with a white gel pen over the top of the black paper. So on the left side, I wrote a really short but really meaningful quote which says, "Start each day with a grateful heart." I also added some washi tape decorations around it as well. So next is my June calendar spread, and this month I'm doing things slightly differently. As I probably won't have many events in June, I did a slightly different layout. I wrote out all of the days in June in the top right of the first page and added a little section on that page to write out any events or important dates I have in June. On the next spread of this double page, in the top right, I added a little space to write my June goals, and I added lots of collage type designs and things around this double spread because I thought it was cute and went with the theme really nicely. So next up I have my habit tracker. So this month, as usual, I did the normal layout, so I did 30 small box squares in my bullet journal for each habit, so that each day I will go fill it in if I did that habit on that day. So this month my habits I chose are yoga, workout, bed by 9:15, no sweets, skincare, read, productive, LOA, water, gratitude, no spend, and fruit and veg. Next, I have my mood tracker. So this month I decided to use the Radiate Positivity Visco image sort of thing. Not sure how to explain it, but I will link it down below, but hopefully you know what I'm talking about. So I did Radiate Positivity quote in the middle, and then around it I divided my page into 30, so each day I would colour in the sort of sun rays, it depending on my mood. So hopefully it will look nice at the end with all of the colours from my month. So you may have seen me do the spread in the last few months, and I'm doing the same layout once again as it had been working for me pretty well. So it is activity/exercise tracker. This is where I log the amount of exercise I have been doing each day, and you can see I have the days down the side and the minutes along the top, and then a key as well down the side. On the right side of the double spread, I did a little one-line drawing of someone doing yoga/gym, which I thought was really cute, and added the two words on the sides, inhale and exhale. So So now one of my ongoing lasting favourites is my playlist spread. At the top I decided to draw a mixtape. I think it's called because I think it fits really nicely with this month's theme. In the mixtape I wrote June playlist, and underneath I wrote out some of the songs. The songs I included this month are I'm Ready by Sam Smith and Demi Lovato, and Stuck With You, Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande, X by the Jonas Brothers and Karol G, and If the World Was Ending, JP Saxe featuring Julian Michaels. I also included 5 More Minutes by the Jonas Brothers once again, and also at the bottom I did Be Kind with Marshmello and Halsey. I will link down the Spotify playlist I have with all of the songs I've included in my bullet journals playlist so far in 2020 down below. So this is a new spread I thought I'd add in this month, which is kind of like a feelings, brain dump / journal type spread. So in the top left I did a sort of collage, and then on the top right I did a quote saying stop waiting for Friday, for summer, for someone to fall in love with you for life. Happiness is achieved when you stop waiting for it and make the most of the moment you are in now. And also at the bottom I wrote get it off your chest, so that if I have anything on my mind or bothering me I can just write it down there, or anything I need to remember, or anything really. To be honest, this spread is kind of self-explanatory. It is basically a daily routine, so my quarantine morning and evening routines. Next I have my school timetable. So I drew out, I did one row for both weeks as I have a different timetable for each week, weekday and weekly. And I did 5 rectangles going across, so 5 days of the week. And I separated each of these into 6 squares, in a square for each hour lesson I have. So I coloured them in according to the category of the subject I have. So for example, I used orange for sciences and the darkish pink for humanities and so on. last but not least, I have my first weekly spread of June. So this is kind of self-explanatory, to be honest. I'm just going to leave you to watch the video. So that is it for my June 2020 plan with me. Hope you enjoyed my video and comment down below what theme you would like to see me do for July. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get on to the final flip through.